In this video, I am going to show you how to fix breath sound in Audacity. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So just open Audacity and make sure your audio clip that has the breath sound is uploaded to Audacity, as you can see. Then after you do that, just select the part of the audio that has the breath sound. For example, I am going to choose this part. And then after you do that, just go ahead to Effects, then go to Noise Reduction and Get Noise Sample. After you do that, you can just do the noise reduction, then click OK on that part. Or you can go ahead, select all of the audio clip. So you can remove all the breath sounds that are in the video. So go to Noise Reduction and now click on OK. This was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful for you. And as always, thank you for watching.